Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our weekly analysis. Guys, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like, share with your friends. So without wasting time, let's just go straight to our weekly analysis and see actually what happened on the market and what might happen. So let's go. Okay. Remember, we also have packages here. You can see that on the screen. If you are interested, you can just let me know. Yeah, then what's really happening here is we are on GBP USD because I saw people, some of the members said, Kenzo, why not cover also the currency pairs? And I said, oh, okay, that's great. We will start to do that. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button, by the way. So what do we see? Firstly, we are on a 4 hours time frame. We already drawn our support line just to show that we actually is already done with the, actually we saw that we can see that this is an uptrend. Sorry about that. So everyone can easily see that we are on an uptrend. The market is actually doing what? The market is actually pushing to the upside. Do you see that? The market is pushing to the upside. And what I see here is, yes, the market is doing what? It's now reversing. But when we check, we have a very nice structure where I think that might be a sort of a support area. Previously, it was a resistance. You can see. Then the market actually broke out, came back several times. Then the market started to do what? To push the upside. Now the market is back again. So which means that area might be like seriously solid. So there is a chance for the market to do what? You can see it's not the first time the market reaches that area. So there is a chance that the market can reach this area and start to push up, especially just because we are on an uptrend. Do you see that? So yes, there is a chance again for the market to break that. There is that chance that the market can easily break this area, this support area, and maybe the market will find that stronger support around this support area. I mean, the market might bounce back around this area before maybe pushing up, something like that. Do you see that? Or there's a chance for the market to break that. Then we will see the market going down. But obviously, we will be waiting for the market to show us. We can't just see the market will do this. We'll have to wait for the market to do to show us. Then we can just continue with whatever that it's happening on the market. Because the best thing that you can do is to wait and follow whatever the market is showing you. Like now, the market is showing you that I'm going up. So why not keep buying just because the market is going up? But you have to find the areas where you're going to do what? Where you're going to actually buy or sell. So here, I think if it bounces back, we might have something like this. We might have something like that. If the market will be bouncing around that. If the market is going to respect this resistance, so this support. If not, the market can break and push lower. Maybe we might have something like that. Or maybe the market will just break out, then that might be maybe a sell. Something like that. I hope you see that. So let's push to the next one, which is Euro USD. So Euro USD, GBP USD, I think they all move quite similar. Why? Because you can easily see that, you know what, we are on an uptrend, even though now the market is aggressively pushing up here. But you can easily see that, yes, we are on this uptrend. So what I see here is the market is nicely creating this structure. Support, resistant, support, resistant, support, resistant. So the market is doing what? The market is doing something like that. So there is enough chance, for the market to do what? To still push to the upside, because the market actually is on the support area and we can't say the market broke out of that. If it breaks, it's fine. it means we're gonna use a diagonal support and say if it's broken, it's where we can say now we're ready to do what? To sell. Something like that. We'll say now we're ready to do what? To keep selling. Simple as that. We can do something like that. Do you see that? So, but for now, we are still on an uptrend. Even though the market can still break here, it doesn't mean that the trend has changed. But this short trend, yes, it will be changing. But down there, we have a support area. So, which means the market will actually, the market might do something like this. Because mostly the market reverses or adjusts the channel. I mean, the trend, something like that. Do you see that? Something like that might happen. It's possible. But anyways, let's push to the next one, which is, I don't know, USDJPY. We can still push this to push lower like that. Or let me just try to redraw them. Let's say if we start from this area, what if something like that, you see? So I think that is not perfect, but correct. Reasonable. Yeah, you see, now we're doing stuff. Great stuff. So what do we see here? You can easily see that, you know what? Yes, the market, starting from here, the market was actually quite selling. The market is been selling, and we have a very nice resistant line to show us that actually we are on a downtrend. Do you see that? And then if we go closer there, you can see that the market was also giving us some structures that we can rely on, and we see consolidate, break, consolidate. We're expecting the market to do what? To break and create something like that, because we are on a downtrend. So we had a sell, the market was in a very smaller profit. I'm still expecting the market to shoot lower. If that is not going to happen, we'll see the market breaking out of our resistance. The market will be breaking out, and we will say, okay, now we're no longer on that bearish move. Now we're looking for what? To buy. But we will wait for the market. We can't just say, oh, we need no, because the market can still go down but reject, go down, reject, something like that. Do you see that? So we can't just expect the market just to go straight down. We expect the market to give us some sort of a wave, whether going down or whether going up. Simple as that. So let's push straight. Now we are on gold. I'm trying to be quick as possible as I'm analyzing so much stuff. So what's really happening here on gold? Gold is now actually on an uptrend. You can easily see that. If maybe you did check my live session on Trader Nick channel, maybe you saw that. Yes, the market is actually, after we see a breakout, we see the market pushing to the upside. So what I see here is, you can see that the market is creating this sort of consolidation, but somehow, like here, that was not as perfect as we usually see. But that's how the market do stuff. Sometimes the market will break out of the structures and creating some crazy moves. Like there, you see that actually to the way mostly the market moves, we can say it's not really that necessary, but the market was just playing games. So the market actually creates something like this. We see a breakout, something like this. We're gonna see another breakout maybe, and the market might still move like that. Do you see that? So the best thing that maybe tells us everything here is the trend is pushing up, and we're supposed to look for buy positions. Do you see that? Do you see that? So that's what I'm actually expecting. I'm expecting actually here we're supposed to have a very nice buy. I don't know if maybe we did have that, but I no longer remember. There it was just an obvious, actually way too obvious a move. Maybe above that area we might have another buy, something like this again. So maybe this might be around this area. Do you see that? If the market keeps breaking, we will be expecting to buy around that. So I hope you understand. I hope you understand. If you are still here, please smash that subscribe button. And we are very close to 5K, guys. I think we left with 20 something. I think, yeah, if you are not subscribed, smash, or maybe you want to see me. Please, guys, look, we left with 20, I think 27 people or members actually to join, to subscribe to this channel so that we can reach 5k before the end of the year. So please guys, smash that subscribe if you are not subscribed. If you already subscribed, you can share to other friends of yours, or maybe you can share anywhere the link of the channel, and maybe people they can actually do what? People they can actually subscribe. Then the channel is growing, and the more the channel is growing, the more stuff I'm going to offer you guys. You see. So yeah, let's go back to US oil. What's really happening on US oil? I like what I see here because we've been preaching about this type of a structure, which is downtrend, and we are still continuing with that downtrend, which means that after we identified the trend, mostly we're going to stick with that trend for quite some time, even though the market will be going up and down. But we know very well that we are still actually on a downtrend. We are still actually on a downtrend. So you can easily see that, yes, the market is doing what? The market is still going down. So let me try to zoom a little bit. You can see that now the market is now creating a very nice structure going down. Another downtrend inside this strong downtrend, which means that structure is there to help us to keep selling around these areas. You see that? Because we wait for the market to create this sort of resistance areas where we do what? Where we can sell, where we can actually sell, something like that. Do you see that? I hope you see that. That is a very nice downtrend there. But we know that we are on a bigger downtrend. Unless if the market breaks this area here, we're not going to say the trend has changed. No, we still have a downtrend on top. The market can still create, we can have something like this. This is the downtrend. The market can still create moves like this. But when we check the trend is what? It's actually down, but you can see the market pushing up. We can't see the market is on an uptrend. No, the trend is the one that we see at the outside. Actually, you're supposed to do that on a bigger time frame. I like to draw that on a 4 hours time frame. So here you can see that the market just touched. Actually, the market touched our you can see our resistance. Quickly, then the market started to sell. You can see around this area, we had a nice sell. Then the market is pushing lower. Around this area, we also have a support area. I don't know if maybe the support will push the market to push up, or maybe it's going to be broken. But it's fine because our take profit is around there. If it's broken, I'm expecting maybe to have another sell down there. Or maybe the market can just create something like that. It can respect this for the first time. Then the second time, it can come here and break. Something like this. Just know that on US oil, we are actually on a very nice sell. So what's really happening on US30? Yeah, on this one, it was like seriously influenced by FOMC or interest rates. US Fed interest rate, actually it's just interest rate, but in the US they just call them in a different name, but I don't know why. So what's really happening here? Straightforward also, we are on a downtrend, which we've been preaching for quite some time. But that downtrend was broken. It means here we were just looking for sell positions. That trend was actually broken, and now we see that the market was supposed to do what? To push to the upside. But most of the time, for those who don't know, once the market breaks out, instead of the market start to push the upside like that, the market just consolidate. Just to know that there is something happening. The market is still deciding whether to push up or maybe to come back again. If after the breakout, if you see a consolidation move, relax, because that means I'm still deciding. I know I broke out of this a downtrend, but I'm still deciding. This is not a trend. This is not an uptrend or a downtrend. The market was just playing around the same area. Do you see that? So you can even draw maybe a line from here just to see where the market, mostly 90% of the market was moving around that area. So we see this, it was a breakout there, but we can easily see that we had enough moves. Do you see that? Do you see that? So after the market decided to do whatever, to decide whether to push up, to go down, whatever, now we saw the market breaking the support area that we had. And if the market creates that, it shows us that, you know what, I'm not interested in pushing to the upside, unless if maybe there are some news that are going to change this type of a move. But what I see here is, I think the market will keep pushing lower, even though the market is not aggressively pushing down. But we know very well that the market can do what? The market can keep pushing to the downside. That is called a downtrend. The market is going to go back on that downtrend again. So yeah, it might be confusing, but sometimes it's better to wait. We are not forced to trade every day, because some people, they say, Kenzo, hey, I want to trade. No, sometimes you just need to wait. There's no problem with the market. Sometimes the market will take time to create some moves. Sometimes the market will just consolidate. We have to know about that. It's not like every day is going to be like blue. Every day you're just going to enjoy whatever that. No, we can't enjoy every day. We lose sometimes, and sometimes we win. So that's how that's part of the game. So what's really happening here is we are actually on NASDAQ. Please, if you reach this area, smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. You can easily see that actually the market is doing what? The market is actually pushing to the lowest side. So let me see if I drawn that correctly. Yeah, something like this. I think it's something like this. You can easily see that, yes, the market is doing what? The market is actually going down, even though it's not really necessary to draw this line, the bottom one, because we're not going to, we are not actually interested in buying. Yes, sometimes we can smash it and run, but actually we are not interested, right? We are not interested in actually buying on a downtrend. Yes, sometimes we can do that. So let's go closer and try to see what's really happening. We can easily see, I thought maybe the market was breaking out there, but the market was just playing games. It's a fake breakout, then the market came back. So that is actually a stronger resistance. We have this stronger resistance to show us that, you see what, this is a down trend. The trend was still continuing. So, and again, you can see that the market was actually creating quite a similar move around that area. Actually, it was consolidating. Then the market touched this area. Guess what? Now the market is showing us that, you know what, I'm back on that sell momentum. So down here also we had some sort of a support area, which the market did not actually respect. Now it means the market might be heading towards 10,000. We don't know if the market is going to go beyond that, maybe to 9,000, 8,000. If that happens, it happens. What can we do? Nothing, right? But if maybe they stop increasing the rates, maybe that might change. But anyways, what can we do, guys? Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. As I said, we left with 20 something people just to reach 5K. That will be actually good. That will be actually great. Then yeah, maybe next year we might reach 10K. It's fine, even if we don't really reach that. But I know that I'm going to offer enough services that is going to keep us actually live sessions, most of the time live sessions. But the problem is currently we have some load shedding and stuff. So yeah, I think I need to get like seriously big UPS or backup that I can get, so that we can just go live for a longer time. So anyways, this is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. For those who wants to be part of the team, you know what to do. Signals 165, and Robert, as there's another update coming, 265. So if you missed that, or if maybe you feel like whatever, just talk to me. And then yeah, I will see what we can do. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. Bye.